think I played out all of the cards I had. I know sorry's just gonna make you mad. Now you're acting up, I can pretend I don't know why. And I know you never would bat an eye when another guy steps to you to try. So you feel you've been missing out, and that hurts my pride. Listen. All of those lies I told to you, all of those highs I stole from you, it was all out of my control. But I really want you to know the truth. Blame it on my youth. Hey, you can blame it on that. Blame it on my youth. That was in my past life. That was in my past life. Way too much truth. I can't even walk right. I can't even talk right. 'Cause I blame it on my youth. That was in my past life. Caught up in the past. I know they say that we're too young. Every day we're growing. They say we're too dumb. Problem is that we don't know it. Anyway, any day, any case, we gon' elevate. We gon' make mistakes. We get there even if it's late. Young, we wanna celebrate love. We never hesitate. Hate that we miscommunicate. Times they wanna walk away.
Why, yeah, we play the game. Baby, win some, lose some, it's all the same.
Yeah, I could blame it on the rain, I could blame it on the pain, I could blame it on my ego, put a cross against my name. But I'm way up and I'm trying to stay up. I never wanna walk alone, just stay in my zone.
Baby, you know they say that love is so wrong. You feel so good, but then you messed wrong.
Just put me in the dark, yeah, I still see accused. No excuses, yeah, I'm guilty, blaming on my youth. You can blame it on that. Blame it on my youth. That was in my past, that was in my past. Way too much truth.
I can't even walk right. I can't even talk right.
'Cause I blame it on my youth. That was in my past life. Caught up in the past. Maybe I had to lose you to know how good I had it, to know how good that we were, to know I'm deep in